Welcome to FX Leaders Broker Review. Today, we're taking a closer look at IQ Options. IQ Option was founded in 2013 in Cyprus and is privately held. It initially established itself as a pioneering binary options broker, later expanding its focus to CFDs and cryptocurrencies in 2017. The firm claims to serve over 48 million clients in more than 200 countries, emphasizing its clean, intuitive interface and broad device compatibility. The firm offers access to over 250 financial instruments via its proprietary IQ option trading platform with features like advanced charting and integrated technical indicators alongside its highly rated IQ option mobile app. Safety and security. IQ option is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Client funds are reportedly segregated from the company's operating capital. IQ option states it provides negative balance protection to its clients. Minimum deposit and account types. IQ option offers a straightforward account structure designed for accessibility. The standard account requires a $10 minimum deposit, offers competitive variable spreads, and remains commission-free for most assets. A VIP account is available for non-EU clients who deposit a higher minimum, providing benefits such as higher returns on certain instruments and a personal manager. A free, reloadable $10,000 demo account is also available. Spreads and commission details vary by asset and account type. Swap-free Islamic accounts are offered for non-regulated clients. Trading platforms and tools. Users can trade via IQ Options proprietary trading platform, available for desktop, web, and mobile. Both platforms are renowned for their user-friendly and intuitive interface, supporting advanced charting, one-click execution, and essential technical indicators. The platform includes built-in alert functionality for market movements and offers educational resources through video tutorials and blog articles. IQ Option does not offer MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Markets available for trade. IQ Option provides access to over 250 financial instruments. Asset classes include Forex, CFDs on stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrency CFDs. Binary options remain a significant offering in certain markets with less stringent regulations. Leverage can be high, up to 1 to 1,000, but varies significantly by asset and regulatory entity. Deposit and withdrawal. Clients can fund accounts using debit, credit cards, wire transfers, and a variety of e-wallets. Cryptocurrency deposits are also supported. Deposits are typically free and instant. However, IQ Option charges unreasonably high withdrawal fees. Withdrawals are processed quickly by the broker, but often face significant delays reported by clients, ranging from several days to weeks. An inactivity fee of €10 per month is charged after 90 days of no trading activity. Pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly proprietary platform. The in-house trading platform is highly intuitive, easy to use, and visually appealing, making it ideal for new traders. Very low minimum deposit. With a $10 minimum deposit, it's one of the most accessible brokers, allowing traders to start with minimal capital. Competitive trading costs on spreads. Offers competitive variable spreads for commission-free trading on most assets, with costs on EUR/USD reported to be lower than some industry averages. Cons: insufficient regulatory oversight. The primary global entity's oversight is not considered top tier for Forex, and the CySEC regulated entity has faced fines and is in contractual runoff in the UK, raising significant safety concerns. Severe withdrawal issues reported. A high volume of negative customer reviews cite major difficulties, delays, or even obstruction in withdrawing funds, particularly large profits, leading to serious concerns about reliability and fund access. High non-trading fees. Charges disproportionately high withdrawal fees and an inactivity fee, which can significantly erode traders' profits or small account balances. In conclusion, IQ Option is beginner-friendly with a low minimum deposit and an easy-to-use platform. However, limited regulation and numerous complaints about withdrawal issues raise serious concerns. Despite competitive spreads, users should be cautious of high non-trading fees, limited tools, and ongoing fund withdrawal problems before opening an account. For more broker reviews, visit our website FX Leaders, the leading provider of real-time market news, market analysis, trade ideas, trade recommendations, and Forex signals for Forex trading.